All right, last one.
Last one. This Halloween decorated truck has a funny surprise. Okay, now before you play it, we're going to ask Mo to tell us what he thinks the surprise will be. This Halloween decorated truck with a funny surprise.
Honk for a treat. There's a sticker at the back. I say the skeleton does like a little dance.
Okay. Will, any input?
Yeah, something to do with the skeleton.
Okay.
Because it's hanging off the edge of the back of the truck.
All right.
In a weird way.
Let's go ahead and give it a play and hit some audio if we want.
Give it a whirl?
Yeah, let's give it a whirl and see what we end up with.
From your tone, I'm guessing I'm wrong here.
There's the honk.
Please do it again. Come on, please.
What? Where is that coming from?
The skeleton is peeing.
I have no idea why. Why would you have a skeleton pee? No clue.
Honk
Definitely makes for a lot of fun.
This is funny.
For those that are around.
Yeah.
It definitely results in a lot of fun. Of course, what I was wondering is, it seems like the person that's honking is off to the right-hand side in this lane.
Oh.
So some other guy's getting peed on that maybe didn't ask for it. He did not ask for the treat.
That's so funny.
Unbelievable stuff. Yeah. I see that there's some sort of challenge going on. This is the last story. We're running out of time on this stream to reach 700 likes. Apparently, there's a challenge going on.
Is there?
In the chat. I didn't know. There was some sort of number of likes to hit.
Oh.
What are we at?
I don't know. Apparently, we're not there yet.
Okay, well.
Maybe we'll get there one day, guys. 700 likes while live. Who knows? Yeah. Anyway, thank you to everybody that joined regardless. Like or no like. Chat or no chat. Shout out Prutvi. He's asking about your experience with your Gboard, switching keyboards. Will, you want to give him a quick, one line on that?
Oh, I love it.
Oh, well, that's all it took. My goodness.
Back to Android, baby.
The simplest. Yeah. This is Will's review. Oh, I love it. That's it. Drop the mic. Let it go. I believe this is a new record setter for longest stream that we've done. I would guess.
We're at 251.
251, so just under 3 hours. Early in the day. We're early guys now. It's all part of the flow, and it's got its ups and downs, and it's got its go-aheads, and it changes every day, and it will continue to do so, and we'll continue to do what we do, so long as you guys continue to do what you do, especially with your new title, The Community. Thanks, guys. See you tomorrow.